In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, you need to open one of your apps in pop-up view. To do that, tap on the chosen one, access it in the background, and tap on this icon at the top right corner of it. You can move your window by holding this line at the top. Then open this second app, and to open both in split screen view, hold this window and drag it to the top of your screen. When you see these blurry areas, you can finally let go. As you can see, now I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can swipe both of your apps in the background, or drag one of them all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on the home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!